Having trouble signing into PlayStation Network on your PS5 is enough to make you want to smash your controller, so let's get you gaming again. First things first, let's check the PlayStation Network status on your PS5 home screen. Go to Settings, which looks like a gear icon, then select Network, and then PlayStation Network status. This will show you if there are any widespread outages affecting signals if the servers are down. Unfortunately, all you can do is wait, so check back frequently. Next, ensure your internet connection is working correctly. Go back into Settings, select Network again, and then test internet connection. The PS5 will perform a connection test to confirm everything from your internet speed to your net type is functional. If any problems show up here, address them by checking your router setup, and try restarting your modem and router, or contacting your internet service provider. If your internet is fine, but you're still having trouble, try signing out of your PlayStation Network profile and signing back in. You'll find this option under the Users and Accounts section within Settings. Once signed out, go to Sign In and re-enter your credentials. Another potential fix is to reset your password if you suspect that your account has been compromised, or just can't remember your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the sign-in screen or reset it online through the PlayStation website. You'll receive instructions on how to create a new password via your email. If the problem persists, consider a database rebuild. Enter safe mode by turning off your PS5 completely. Then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep from safe mode. Connect your controller with a USB cable. Select Rebuild Database. Remember, this takes a little time, so just be patient. If none of these steps have worked, it's time to contact PlayStation support directly on the PlayStation website or through a search engine. You'll find contact details to seek further assistance. Be prepared to provide account information and details of the error messages you are receiving. Hopefully one of these tips will have helped you find a solution so you can get back to gaming.